everyone, how's it going? My name is Michelle and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. On my channel, I post videos about luxury, planning, and travel, so if those are some things that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and also hit that notification bell because I upload new videos every single week. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a top 5 small leather goods, or SLGs for short, in my Louis Vuitton collection. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So for number 1, I have my Louis Vuitton desk agenda cover, and this one I use every single day. I got this one last year in 2020, maybe in the middle of the year, and inside I did create my own half-liter discbound planner. I do have a couple of videos about my planner setup, so I'll go ahead and link the most recent one right over here. But yeah, I have a lot of inserts that I've used from Cloth and Paper, Infinite Lotus, The Line Shop, and those are just to name a few. I chose this one because I thought it was a really good size. It also fits in my Petite Noe and also my Speedy 30 right behind me. I love having a physical planner, and I feel like this is such an investment piece. It is really expensive to, you know, purchase the planner and then get the planner started, because when you get the planner you have to buy like the divider tabs, the different inserts inside, a lot of the things that maybe are kind of just wants and aren't needs, like sticky notes, stickers, accessories, and things like that. It is really expensive or really pricey just to get the planner started. But after you get the planner started, I want to say that you don't really spend that much money after that, unless you like run out of the inserts that you really like and then you have to reorder. But yeah, I mean, for number 1, I do have my Louis Vuitton desk agenda cover. So for number 2, I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch, and this one I love so much. If I'm on the go and I'm not bringing a purse or anything really with me and I just really need the bare essentials, this is a piece that I'm going to have with me, because it really can fit like literally just my essentials that I kind of just need. So like my car key, right now it has 3 cards in it and some cash. So it really does fit kind of just what you need and nothing more. But I love the size of this because it's really easy to also slip in and out of my back pocket. And yeah, I mean, the size is just perfect, and also the zipper is also very easy to zip. So yeah, number 2 on my top 5 SLGs is my Louis Vuitton key pouch. So number 3 on my top 5 SLGs is my Louis Vuitton mini pochette accessoire, and this one I love so much. It is my catch-all piece for like any purse that I'm using if it fits inside. Right now, let's see what's inside. I do have a mirror, I have some hand sanitizer, and I have a couple of different lipsticks. So it really does fit quite a few things in here. I also really like using this one as a mini bag, so you can either use this one with, you know, just this little chain that it came with, or what you could do is use a different chain. And this one is the oval chain crossbody strap from Organize My Bag, and it really looks cute together. I have a couple of pictures of me wearing this one and this one together, and maybe I'll post one right over here. But yeah, I really like how versatile this bag is. I like it in my purse as a catch-all piece, but I also like that you can use it as a mini bag. So this one did undergo a hefty price increase. I think I got it for $345, but right now I think it goes for $445, I believe. And so I still think it's actually worth the price, just because it's such a versatile piece. It's a perfect catch-all piece, and also it can really look good as a mini bag as well. So I feel like you're getting a 2-for-1 for this little piece right over here. And yeah, I think this piece is definitely still worth the money. So for number 4, I have my Louis Vuitton 4-key holder, and this one I didn't think that I needed this one until I actually got it. I did have my keys on a lanyard before, which I didn't really like, because whenever I put them in my purse, it would be kind of like scratching against like my phone and like my wallet and things like that. So I didn't really like how that was kind of just like in my purse. So I decided to go ahead and get the 4-key holder, and honestly, it's such a game changer, just because like my keys, they aren't like dangling inside, and also they're not noisy anymore. But yeah, I got the 4-key holder, and I love how it's so sleek. And this one's a 4-key holder, but it's actually holding about 6 keys right now. I think 5 keys right now. And so I just love how it holds more than it's supposed to, and also it's just so sleek. It's really slim, and also it's not as loud as having keys on a lanyard. And I also just love how the keys are covered so the other things in your purse aren't getting damaged. So my last piece is actually the Toiletry Pouch 26, and this one I love so much. It's actually now discontinued, and I wish they really didn't because it's such a great piece. I didn't think I needed it until I actually had it. Right now what I use it for actually is for my electronics, and I use it to store my electronics when I'm at home and also when I am out traveling. But I just love how sleek and slim this pouch is, because it's also really easy to pack because of the narrow size it is. So I love this piece, and this one's also just something else that's also very versatile, because rather than using it for your cables and chargers like I do, you can actually use it for maybe like your makeup, or you can use it as a clutch and things like that. So this one is also such a great versatile piece. So I recommend trying to get your hands on one now if you maybe still can. Maybe try contacting your sales associate, or you can also check the pre-loved market, because this one and also the Toiletry Pouch 19, these ones are like really great pieces to have. And I feel like they're both really versatile, that you could use them for different purposes. And if you're wondering, the only reason why I didn't get the 15 to complete my trifecta is because I already have the mini Pochette. So I just felt like that one and the 15, they are very comparable. So I just felt like I didn't really need it. So yeah, that's why I didn't complete the trifecta. But if I had to choose between the Toiletry 26 and the 19, I would definitely go with the 26, just because I just feel like the size is very practical, very functional, and you can use this for so many different things. And I saw a lot of people use it as also a crossbody bag, so you can purchase like an insert from Orgeta and then also use the same chain that I showed you earlier, and also just make this one into a really cute crossbody bag. So yeah, this piece is really awesome, and I would suggest trying to get your hands on it if you can. But yeah, so good luck, and if you could get this piece, I don't think you would regret it. And so yeah, those are my top 5 small leather goods in my Louis Vuitton collection. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the pieces down below. I do have a lot of what fits inside a lot of those pieces, or reveals or unboxings on my channel, so I'll also link those down below as well. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!